Welcome back to our Project Management Knowledge series. If you're eager to learn the key roles and responsibilities of project managers and why the project manager role is indispensable, you're in the right place. Today, you will uncover why the project manager role is essential to deliver a successful project, and how this knowledge can empower you in your own project management endeavors. Let's begin by welcoming you to be part of our channel and the exciting world of project management. Your interest and participation are crucial to our shared learning journey. Okay, let's jump right in. Project managers are the driving force behind their teams, guiding them through every phase of a project to achieve project objectives. They take charge of the entire project, making sure everyone is on the same page toward the project goals. Stay tuned as we break down a project manager's various roles, from being a facilitator to a problem solver to a risk manager and motivator. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of project management's complex responsibilities. Remember, don't forget to connect with us, so you don't miss our next video, in which we'll cover additional tools and techniques that can enhance your project management practice. If you're preparing for your PMP exam or looking to improve your project management skills, we are here to help. Let's get started by exploring the active role of the project manager and how they lead to successful projects. Make a note. The role of a project manager can differ significantly from one organization to another. This means the responsibilities and expectations of a project manager are customized to align with the organization's needs. Also, note that the project manager does not handle all project activities directly. Instead, the project manager plays a leadership role of overseeing, facilitating, and guiding the project while delegating specific tasks and responsibilities to team members. Okay. During the initiating process group, the project manager plays a crucial role in laying the groundwork for a successful project. While many project managers are involved in the project from initiation through to project closure. In some organizations, the project manager involves a feasibility study before the project officially begins. Let's break down the responsibilities of a project manager during the project initiation. Initiation. The project manager collaborates with stakeholders to establish the project objectives and expected outcomes. Clearly document the deliverables and boundaries of the project to ensure everyone understands what is expected. Creating a formal project scope statement that indicates what is included in the project may help develop the project charter with the collaboration of the individuals who formally start the project. Identifying the key stakeholders and analyzing their interests, influence, and impact on the project. Identifying the initial project team members based on the project's needs. Defines and documents the roles and responsibilities of the initial team members. Project planning. During the project planning process group, the project manager's responsibilities are ensuring that the project is set up for success. This process group involves developing a comprehensive plan that outlines how the project will be executed, monitored, and controlled. Some of the project manager's responsibilities during project planning can be: facilitates the discussions to establish team ground rules and articulates the purpose and adherence to the ground rules. Help the team create a work breakdown structure, WBS, to organize and define the total scope of work. Establish a project schedule that outlines all project tasks, milestones, dependencies, and deadlines. Define resource requirements, both human and equipment, for each task and phase of the project. Sets the project scope, schedule, and cost baselines to measure and control project performance throughout the project lifecycle. Develops a plan for managing scope changes, including change request processes. Refines and documents the project scope by including detailed descriptions of deliverables, boundaries, and acceptance criteria. Conducts risk identification workshops to identify potential risks that could impact the project. Evaluate the probability and impact of identified risks and prioritize them based on their significance. Creates risk mitigation strategies and contingency plans to address high-priority risks. Defining quality requirements and standards for the project deliverables and processes. Identifying all project stakeholders and their communication needs. Developing a communication plan outlining how, when, and what information will be shared with stakeholders. Providing communication resources and building trust with virtual team members. Determining if any goods or services need to be procured externally. Outlining the procurement strategies, including vendor selection, contracts, and management. Establishing the project governance framework, including decision-making authorities, roles, and responsibilities. If you found this video useful, don't forget to be part of the channel so you never miss out on our latest tips and tools to boost project managers' effectiveness. Feel free to share this video with your team or anyone who could benefit from it. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with us, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Okay, let's move on to the responsibility related to executing and monitoring project work. During the execution and monitoring of the project managers ensure the project stays on track in order to deliver the intended project outcomes. Also, meet stakeholders' expectations. Some of the responsibilities involved are ensuring each phase of the project is executed according to the project's plan. Ensuring that all project activities are executed according to the defined scope, schedule, and quality plan. Ensuring that enough resources are allocated and utilized throughout the project. Using performance measurement tools and techniques to track progress against the project plan, including schedule, cost, and scope. Updating the stakeholders with project status reports, such as progress, budget, and any deviations from the plan. Identifying and analyzing variances from the project plan and schedule and taking corrective actions as needed. Controlling the project scope, schedule, and cost changes through a formal change request. Evaluating the change requests, assessing their impact on the project, and ensuring the changes have approvals before implementing them. Ensuring the deliverables meet defined quality standards and requirements. Addressing any quality issues or defects promptly and working with the team to resolve them. Implementing corrective actions for any quality issues identified during the quality reviews. Maintain regular communication with stakeholders to provide updates on project progress, issues, and changes. They ensure stakeholder expectations through clear communication and regular updates. Addresses concerns about the stakeholder expectations or the feedback received. They identify issues or obstacles that arise during project execution and resolve them efficiently. They facilitate the project team and stakeholders to solve problems impacting project progress. Also, continuously monitoring identified risks and their status throughout the execution phase. The project manager ensures the implementation of the risk response to minimize the impact of risks on the project. Okay, let's shift to the responsibilities of the project closing. During the project closing process group, the project manager's responsibilities are formally closing out the project and ensuring all aspects of the project are completed as agreed. This phase is crucial for capturing lessons learned, releasing resources, and ensuring that all project deliverables are finalized and accepted. Here's a detailed breakdown of the responsibilities during project closure. Ensuring all project deliverables are completed according to the project scope, quality standards, and contractual requirements. Assesses the project's performance against the project objectives and success criteria. Confirming all the deliverables meet their expectations and are approved. Completing all project documentation, final reports, and contracts. Ensures that all documentation is accurate and up to date. Addresses any outstanding administrative tasks. Gathering lessons learned and recommendations for future projects from the project team and stakeholders. Officially releasing the project team members from their roles and responsibilities. Also, providing feedback and recognition for their contributions. Ensuring all project equipment, materials, and facilities are returned or reassigned as necessary. Archiving all project documents, including plans, reports, and communications, in a structured manner for future reference and compliance. And finally, celebrate the accomplishments of the project team and stakeholders. There you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, remember, consistency and dedication are your best allies. Keep improving project management knowledge.